Why did you date older women? So I'm guessing this is about the little story time that we did yesterday. A lot of y'all actually enjoyed that story time. Even my mom, because I shared it on one of my Facebook pages, and she went to go check it out, and she said something about it. I was just like, yo, man, this. But no, it's all good, man. It was just a little explicit stuff that I didn't want to hear about in there. But anyway, going back to the question, man. Why did I date older women? So I've always been told that I had like an old soul. You know what I mean? And it just seems like the women that were my age mentally wasn't where I wanted them or needed for them to be. Like having certain type of conversations, I feel like even since a youngster, man, I just had a different type of mindset. And another thing about older women versus those younger women, I never had to tell an older woman something twice. It was like if it was any type of request or anything, I didn't have to repeat myself. But when dealing with, those younger women, it's like, yo, bro, a lot of those younger women have selective hearing. They hear what they want to hear. I'm just like, yo, bro, oh, I'm sorry. Like, I don't really like repeating myself, man. Again, going back to that old soul type of feel, it was like a little disconnection. And when I was dealing, especially when I was younger, like dealing with older women, man, it was like they already knew what was up. It was like they were already like reading your mind, like I already know what you want. You know what I'm saying? Let's just, it was a different type of vibe, man. Versus those younger women, they oftentimes play games. Or they oftentimes did play games. You know what I'm saying? Like after high school, I really started zeroing in and focusing on older women. One, because it was a challenge. I'm not gonna cap. It was a challenge. Like to see if I could pull a older bad chick. I'm not just talking about just one of them chicks that walk on the back of their house shoes. You know what I'm saying? Big as a house. No. I'm looking to pull somebody that would technically be way out of my league. Like if you look at, let me stop. Let me don't talk too damn much. If you let's just say that if you go back and check, the history of Katie, especially in college, like, the young lady, or either it was like one or two main ones that was pretty much on my arm, fly, bad, good head on their shoulders. And again, man, those women they just knew and they understood. Serving was never an issue for those women. One of them, again, was married for, over 10 years. So, she already knew what it was to like, to be a wife, to cater, let's just say this, to cater to her man. And again, I didn't have to worry about anything. And so it was a no-brainer for me. Older women were a no-brainer. Do I want somebody that ain't gonna play games, that's gonna be upfront? We can have these doggone conversations. They not gonna beat around the bush at all about anything. If they want to know the answer to something, they going directly to the source. I'm coming to you, KD. Like, yo, let's sit down, let's have this conversation. It was never the same with those younger women. Again, beating around the bush, playing like, yo, bro, I don't have time for these games, man. I am even at that age, I was a very busy guy. I'm talking about football, working, school. I had a lot going on, man. And then, of course, my outside life, doing whatever it is I had to do. Always, pretty much just focus. And so it was just an easy fit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that was one of the reasons why I kind of went, I don't want to say went out, but that sounds crazy. I lean more towards older women. Now, do I still date or deal with older women? I'm gonna say that I don't want to say too much, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't like to put too much of my personal business out there. I mean, y'all see enough through all these channels, but I will say this: it's more of a mindset, right? And I can easily find out what type of person I'm dealing with within the first week of speaking and talking to them. Because I may ask, it's so easy, you just ask somebody a direct question. If they beat around the bush, they lollygagging, they playing, or this, that, and the third. You already know what type of person you're dealing with. You already, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like it's chess, not checkers. I have my ways. I know and I understand women, and so any chick that I wanted, trust and believe, it wasn't that hard, man. It's honestly, it's not that hard. Shout out to my pops, man. He gave me a lot of game, you know. So I've seen a lot of stuff growing up, and you know, my mom had a lot of her friend girls. And just to throw that out there, when you thought I was asleep, you know me, I was a night owl. So I used to sit up when we used to have to go to bed. You know what I'm saying? I would sit there in the room, peeking out the door, while her and her friends out there playing spades down the hallway. I'm listening to them conversations like, oh, okay, all right. So this is what, you know, interests a grown woman. That's how you pull a grown woman. Just sitting there listening at a young age, soaking all of it up. I was the middle child. So, you know, not the oldest, not the youngest, right there in the middle. So I paid attention to everything. Y'all see how big these are? I'm paying attention to I'm listening to everything. So by the time I started to open my mouth, talk, speak, or whatever, I already knew what it is that I wanted, and I knew how to get it. You know, let me not talk too much. Ain't no telling who's watching this doggone live stream right now. We got some people on both channels. But yeah, man, it's more. I'm just gonna say this: it's more of a mindset, right? I'm always gonna lean more to the mindset behind the person rather than the age or anything else like that.